Hello, hello, hello. Oh, and Mr. Light just got here. Did you have a good dinner, Mr. Light? Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Jesus, I'm dying. Hello. Happy Sunday. How are we? What's the motherfucking tea? Hi, Zach. How are you? Thank you for testing the sounds. Did they work? Oh, all but the nurse are working? What the hell? Why would it be one specific one?
Nurse!
Oh well. I'll go. Also, how come some of them say
Nurse!
sound alert, but then one just says redeemed, let's go, Joan? Did I type in sound alert? But hi, hello, we're playing games. Can you believe that you would play games on this goddamn motherfucking day? The second nurse worked. So weird. Also, thanks for the good luck. I saw you jump into action when I said wish me luck. Yeah, give me a twink map. I don't think they have enough twink map representation, let's be honest. We're being honest, ladies. So I'm just continuing to work on the Rift. We only have 16 days left, though, can you believe? Twinks have enough representation in the rest of the world. That is so true.
And sis, that's tea.
That is the motherfucking tea. Ugh. We're so close yet so far to the Nicolas Cage outfit that I want. Time after time. I think I got everyone to, well, I guess everyone except for what's her face. But does she even count? What's her? Either way, we're playing. Ooh. Is it eerie? Where am I? Is this the best chance to be doing first, ma'am? But I do have that challenge. Hail Mary, full of Wesker. Is he good? Oh my god, not a flashbang. Or, you know, whatever. Ow! God damn it! How did it, like, it stunned him, but, like, so delayed, so I didn't think I got it. Oh, well. Also, how did he see me go in there?
Anybody help?
Oh, I love when I start in a corner, because then the view gets really funny. Oh, well, I guess it didn't get too funny. Could have been funnier, honestly. Uh-oh, he's coming. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming. He snuck away from Mr. Michelson. Hi. Thank you all for being here for this Witchling Sunday. It was a low energy, chill vibes kind of day with some off games, but that's okay. That's okay, Mr. Light. Because we just push forward and we survive some other game. But maybe I'll see you tomorrow. If not, I will see you on Tuesday. Until then, I love you all. Thanks for hanging out. Light loves you too. Bye. Bye.
Ladies.